North India's first hyperscale data center. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath recently inaugurated Yata D1, India's second, and North India's first hyperscale data center, in Greater Noida. What is Yata D1? Yata D1 is the first of the 6 data center buildings currently being built in the Greater Noida Data Center Park. The first data center was operationalized in just 20 months with an investment of around 1,500 crore rupees. The hyperscale data center was developed by Yata Infrastructure, an arm of the Hiranandani Group. It is situated at a strategic location close to important business hubs of India's national capital region. This provides a major boost for the region's digital economy. The data center spans across 3 lakh square feet, having a ground floor and 7 other floors. It has an IT load capacity of 28.8 MW. It is capable of hosting 5,000 racks across 7 server floors. It offers fail-safe 48-hour power backup on full load. What is Yata Greater Noida Data Center Park? Spanning across 20 acres, the Yata Greater Noida Data Center Park is the first data park in the region. It will have 6 interconnected buildings, providing a total capacity of 30,000 racks, 4 dedicated fiber paths and an IT power capacity of 160 megawatts. The park is being developed at the cost of 7,000 crore rupees. Investments by Yata Infrastructure. Yata Infrastructure announced that it will invest 39,000 crore rupees in Uttar Pradesh in the next 5 to 7 years. This investment will be used for the construction of data center campus, and procuring IT equipment and other hardware by Yata and its customers. What are the challenges faced by the Yata data centers? Heatwaves. With heatwaves becoming more common and severe due to climate change, data centers are at risk of overheating. Greater Noida is experiencing a concerning level of heatwaves during summers. To address this, Yata Infrastructure's data centers will be equipped with adiabatic cooling system, which will help the chillers to reduce heat. These chillers will not be used during winters since there will be natural cooling from the atmosphere. The Yata has an automatic system that identifies whether the outer atmospheric temperature is lesser than the desired temperature in the data center. During such instances, the chillers will automatically stop working, and the external cool air will enter the center to maintain the temperature in the internal environment. Cybersecurity. Data centers are very attractive targets for cyber attacks. With India rapidly